booth C1810. And guess what? Our friends are nominated for the Best of IBS Awards, and it's for this product. It's called Exact Color. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it's super cool. So it's a sealant with all the traditional quality you expect from Sashco, but the difference is that you can apply whatever paint you want, and it's going to match the color exactly of what you have chosen. And to use it, it's pretty simple. You just open the package, you apply the paint, you shake it for 30 seconds or a minute until you see it's uniform, and from there you apply a thickener, shake it again, let it rest for 30 minutes, and that's it. And then it's ready to go. It won't degrade, it won't chip or anything. So come and check it out, it's pretty cool.
We're at the Rockwool booth, and I want to show you the few reasons why we love this product. It's not just about insulation. One of the reasons is you can tell that in this sample it's hydrophobic, so that's great when you have exterior insulation. In this demo, I want to show you how it's vapor open, meaning that if we were to get water on the outside of the cavities, the water can actually dry through the product. So this is also an amazing feature. This next demo is sound related, so hopefully the microphone will give you enough example to see how great the product is, but it has noise cancelling, so follow me. Hopefully you can hear a lot of noise right now. And as we come into the demo hallway, you can tell how huge the difference it makes for sound. So this is a humongous added benefit if you want to use it indoors. The name of this product is Safe and Sound, and we will be using it as well. And now for the main event, I even changed my shirt for it. This is the reason why we love Rockwool so much, because it can handle such high temperatures in forest fire, keeping the other side nice and cool. The only way to melt this basically is to get to the 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, and even then it would still protect you. That's when it would turn into lava. So we love Rockwool. Hey everyone, we're here at the Certainteed booth. We're checking out this super awesome sunroof by SunStyle by Certainteed, and here we have Danielle to tell you everything about it.
All right, so this is a solar system and roofing system combined into one, really maximizing your solar potential, going edge to edge, completely integrated, bringing you the most beautiful solar system you have seen.
So this is pretty awesome because each panel has 140 watts per panel, and it has a kind of like a stacked assembly where you can run the cables underneath and you won't see any of it. So it's basically a replacement for like shingles or metal roofing, and it continues to look awesome. So we highly recommend that you check it out.
Hey, hello! So we are at Hoover booth, one of the most impressive booths at IBS. You might hear Matt Reisinger talking in the background, but here is what I want to show you. So this is Advantech X Factor, and it's a soft floor, but it has a protective, a water protective cover. So if you need to leave it open with the elements for a while, it's going to keep in even better shape. Another big benefit is that you can write on it, and it looks pretty good. Now, this is the soft floor we wanted to use, but it was not available at the time at 108, but they have it now, so you can get it. The only thing I would say is if you are using a finished floor that is going to require adhesive, just make sure that it's compatible.
Day two. This is the best party of the entire week, and it's this right here, the Best of Social Awards. I'll be on this stage right here today, 3 p.m., and we're gonna be giving awards away for all kinds of really interesting builders doing some really cool stuff. We have beer, we have build show hats. This is gonna be a lot of fun, guys. Come to the Huber booth, 3 p.m. today at the International Builder Show.
So we're here at the Schneider electric booth. The Square D has become one of my favorite panels to use, and I'm looking for intelligence for our service panels and main panels, and this is basically their solution. They have a box with an ammeter that you would plug onto the main lines, but if you want to switch different loads, they have these embeddable breaker feedable relays, so you can control a lot of these through the app that they have, and this is basically how their panels look. And by the way, I love the white panel. I don't know, I don't think it matters, but I do love the white panel. And check out this other, how clean and beautiful it looks. So we might be thinking about using these guys. We're still here at the Schneider electric booth, and I wanted to show you this very cool inverter. This will fit very nicely in a mechanical room. This inverter can handle 3 of these batteries, and these batteries are 10 kilowatt-hour batteries. So basically pretty significant. We care about this because where we are, we could lose power very easily. So we want to have that backup power. And then they have this new line of main panels where they have the transformer, switch disconnect already built in, and they have the inverter in the receiving solar in the inverter. So very cool for our application.
We are at the Certainteed booth, and we came here because we have the Grace products. These are the same manufacturers from B2C that, if you remember, we use it in the foundation and we love it. So they were also the original creators of the underlayments back in 1978. So let's discuss the difference of the products now that we have this beautiful display available. So first off, we have Grace Select and we have Grace Ice and Water Shield. The difference is that Ice and Water Shield is a little bit thicker, and they both withstand like up to 90 days exposed. So the difference will be really just an architectural specification. And then we have like the next product line. Thank you, sir. The next product line. So it would be HD or Ultra. And really the difference is the product that you will use on the roof. So if you are using roofs that get really, really hot, like a zinc, copper, or corten, then you want to go with Grace Ultra. Otherwise, you can go with HD. These two withstand 120 days. Found a pretty cool product. It's called the BreezSlim. It's actually one of the finalists for the best kitchen and bath product, and it's this bath fan right here. And what makes it special is, for one thing, it's energy efficient, it's super quiet, but look at how thin it is. It's about 7 inches, so it's pretty easy to retrofit and pretty easy to install. With only 2 screws you can get it in there. So, well, if you want to check them out, come and visit them here. Oh, one important thing, the light, it's actually dimmable. So look at that. So you can create whatever atmosphere you prefer in the bathroom. So come and check it out, it's pretty cool. The GAF booth, and I want to show you this pretty nice product. It's called Pivot, and it's a boot for plumbing pipe penetrations, and it's very nice. It's made of galvanized steel, and it comes in 4 colors, black, and I don't remember the other 3. But here's the interesting thing. You have the penetration, and this is completely adjustable, so it's pretty easy to install. And then what you do is they have this cover. Now this is the size of the pipe. They make it in several sizes, but it goes from 1.5 inches up to 4 inches. So then you insert this in the pipe, and it goes like this, and it has a very nice look. Now what you need to consider is that this space from here to here is maximum 15 inches. So if you have like snow requirements and it needs to be longer, this may not be the right choice.
The Certainteed booth, it turns out they make a whole bunch of products. It's a one-stop shop for a lot of stuff. We came for GCP, B2C, and Grace Ice and Water Shield, but they make these other cool products. Their brand is Vycor EMV-S, and what makes it special is a self-adhesive for OSB sheathing. But what's interesting about it is that it's a smart membrane, so that means that if the OSB gets wet, it allows the humidity to come out of it. So it's pretty cool. They also make a lot of flashing tapes and all that stuff. So check it out if you're using this kind of product.
I'm at the Town & Country and Luxury Fireplaces booth on the west. It's booth 4119, and we just found this pretty cool thing. I don't know anything about it, but I think it looks super cool, so you can come and check it out. It's Fogatti, and here is this product that we showed you last year. We really love it. So it's a dishwasher. So if you open it, it's 2-in-1. This is the dishwasher, and if you remove this, then it's just your regular sink. And you can also exchange this one for this basket, and then this is a vegetable washer. So it's pretty awesome. They are working on their certification right now, but it should be available in the US pretty soon. So come and check it out.
Hi, the Trim booth, and I wanted to show you a very cool product right here, where you can do a flush mount outlet. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. They have a few ways of doing it. There's some magnets and stuff. This makes your life super easy. They have a very easy installation method. Check it out. You can definitely look it up and see if you're interested, but they make it very easy to do. So check out some of the outlets that they have available. So you might think this is style. No, that's actually painted onto the outlet cover. And this is another method of installing, so pretty awesome product.
3 friends joining us that will be competing to see who can install the fastest. We have Hector. All right, give it up for Hector. We have Marcella. Give it up for Marcella. And we have Alan. Give it up for Alan. All right.